Hi, I'm James, and welcome to Building Wealth and Growth. Today, we're diving into the best investment options for beginners: stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrency. If you're just starting your wealth-building journey, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the basics with some simple and safe steps to get started. Remember, grow, glow, flow. I know investing can seem overwhelming, especially when you're just starting. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. The key is to understand the different options available and take it step by step. Stocks. Let's start with stocks. Investing in stocks means you're buying a small piece of a company. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, your investment can grow with it. However, stocks come with risks. There's no guarantee of success. As Warren Buffett wisely said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Tip for beginners. Start with well-established companies. These are often safer investments. You can also use index funds, which allow you to invest in a wide range of companies at once. This reduces your risk and helps you learn without putting too much on the line. Real estate. Next, let's talk about real estate. Real estate is a fantastic way to build wealth, whether you're renting out properties for passive income or flipping houses for a profit. There are both short-term and long-term opportunities in real estate. Tip for beginners. If you're just starting out, look into real estate investment trusts. REITs. REITs let you invest in real estate without having to buy or manage properties yourself. It's a great way to get started with less risk and less capital. Cryptocurrency. Now let's discuss cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are very exciting investments, but they're also highly volatile. This means they can go up or down in value very quickly. Tip for beginners. Cryptocurrency is an area where you must tread carefully. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and always do your research before jumping in. It's also a good idea to keep cryptocurrency as a small part of your portfolio to reduce risk. Personal. Quote, as Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Take the time to learn and educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to making smart financial decisions. So, to wrap up, remember that when you're just starting your investment journey, patience is key. Do your research and take calculated risks. Diversifying your investments, stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrency will help you build wealth over time. And always keep in mind, grow, glow, flow. Final advice: start small, stay disciplined, and keep learning. Building wealth is a long-term game, and you're just getting started.